Look, I get it. The 9 to 5 grind can be so crushing. Maybe you are daydreaming about working from some amazing beach, or you're just looking to turn what you love into something that actually pays the bills. Either way, you're in the right place. So here's what I'm going to be breaking down in this video for you today. Number 1. Why an online business is seriously amazing for giving you that freedom we all crave, especially these days. Secondly, we're going to be talking about the real challenges you will face. Because, yeah, there are some bumps on the road, and I've hit pretty much all of them. Finally, I will show you a practical blueprint that can help you get your online business off the ground without losing your mind. Just so you know where I'm coming from, I've been in the trenches with dropshipping, e-commerce, TikTok, those faceless YouTube channels everyone's talking about, Etsy print on demand, and fitness coaching, both online and offline. So this isn't just theory, it's stuff that actually works in the real world. Alright, so why online business is a total game changer? Imagine having your ideas, products, or services available to literally anyone on the planet 24/7. That's what makes online business so freaking powerful. Here's why I'm all in on the online business life. Freedom on your own terms. Want to work while watching the sunset in Bali? Or maybe just from your couch in your pajamas? With an online business, you can. It's not just about making money. It's about designing a life that doesn't make you dread Mondays. The whole world is your market. Think about it. A local coffee shop can only serve people who walk by. By an online business, you could be selling to someone in Japan while you're sleeping. Startup costs are way lower. No need to rent a storefront, buy a bunch of equipment, or any of that traditional business stuff. You can start a lot of online business with just a laptop and Wi-Fi. You can pivot super fast. Market changes, new trend. With an online business, you can adapt in real time. When I was dropshipping, I could test a new product idea literally overnight or just within an hour or two. Try doing that with a physical store. I'm going to be totally real with you guys. Starting an online business isn't all Instagram worthy, laptop on the beach moments. There are definitely some challenges. Everyone and their mom is online. The internet is crowded, no doubt about it. Standing out takes work. But here's the thing. If you focus on being genuinely helpful and authentic, you will find your people. Tech stuff can be confusing. Domain registrations, web hosting, SEO, it can feel like learning a new language at first. Trust me, when I started my first Etsy shop, I was Googling and YouTubing everything. But I pick it up faster than you think. Also, people are skeptical online. Without being able to walk into a physical store, customers need extra reasons to trust you. I learned this the hard way with my fitness coaching. Consistency in showing up and delivering value builds that trust over time. The online business playbook walks through exactly how to tackle these challenges without wanting to throw your laptop out the window. Alright, so here's a blueprint for actually making this work. What I love about this approach is that it's not about copying someone else's business model. It's about creating something that feels right for you. The blueprint breaks down like this. Create. Build something online that's not just functional, but actually represents who you are and what you stand for. Evolve. Never stop learning and tweaking. The people who win online are the ones who can adapt when things change. And things always change online. The secret sauce? Stay curious. Always be learning. When I started my Faces YouTube channels, I had no idea what I was doing. But I kept experimenting and making data-driven decisions from the analytics. Lastly, are you cut out for this? Let's be honest, not everyone is built for the entrepreneurship life. It's exciting and rewarding, but it's also a roller coaster that can make your stomach drop sometimes. That's why I created this entrepreneurial readiness test in the playbook. It helps you figure out if this path makes sense for you right now. The test looks at things like, how bad do you want to be your own boss? Can you motivate yourself, or do you need someone breathing down your neck? Are you the type to take charge when things need to happen? Do you have a clear vision, or you are still figuring out? Can you handle the inevitable no's and setbacks? Are you cool with some financial uncertainty? Can you keep going when things get tough? I remember when I was transitioning from in-person fitness coaching to online. The skills that made me successful face-to-face weren't exactly the same ones I needed online. This test would have saved me a lot of headaches. If you're serious about creating a business that gives you more freedom and the chance to impact people around the world, check out the online business playbook. The link is in the description box down below, and please don't forget to take the entrepreneurial readiness test inside. It might save you from jumping into something you're not ready for, or it might be the push you need to finally get started. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, all this good stuff, and I will see you guys soon.